Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well, guys, today I am very happy, rather excited because I have purchased GoPro Hero 9 Black. Just today, I have purchased this camera with money. Okay, I did not get it as a gift from the company. Once upon a time, when I started making videos for YouTube, I used to have this camera. This camera was my all life, everything, and we made so many videos. If you watch my videos which were made until 2018, in the beginning of 19 I purchased the new camera, so until 2018 all my videos were made, still working, okay, with this camera, and I made all the videos with the help of this camera, right? And then I switched to DSLR, and now by the grace of Almighty I can afford to buy latest cameras. Why am I telling you this? To motivate you guys. See, once I just had enough money to purchase this camera. I bought this camera in $400 at that time, second hand, from a second hand camera shop. And this camera helped me a lot. For around 8 to 9 years, I recorded many programs on this camera. I recorded several video courses, and I used to convert them to DVDs, and I used to sell those DVDs here in Pakistan and abroad. So this is how I started. Humble beginning, very humble beginning. And now you can see I can afford to buy any camera because things are different now. Things are changed now. So if I can do it, you can do it as well. Now let's open this camera and I show you what is inside. Okay guys, let's unbox GoPro Hero 9. I did not get it as a gift, I purchased it actually. So let's just unbox GoPro Hero 9. The good thing is now we've got a bag, so it's easy to carry your GoPro. It's not that you need to buy extra bag and all that. So let's go there. And we've got this thing. Yes. Okay. I want to do it very gently because I keep upgrading my stuff. So I don't want to do it in a way that, come on. Yeah, I want to do it only one side so that I could sell it in the future as well, because I want to sell it in the future actually, not now, Don't ask me how much. So let's just, it's going to make a little mess here. Yeah. All right, boy, come out. Yes, it's all opened. Here we are. Wow. So GoPro Hero 9, come out, boy. Here we are. Nice box, Okay, now let's just open this and we see what is inside. Wow, the feeling of the box is very good. Just imagine you're holding this GoPro, all your vlogging thing, and you go on and on and on. Aha! I'm so excited to see this. Wow, awesome. Right, they've given me this thing like subscribe to GoPro. They've got GoPro app. And then you got to pay certain amount, up to $100 off next GoPro and up to $50 off mounts and this and that, okay? And then they've got this. They've got GoPro stickers as well. That's good. So I can put it somewhere on my car. Yes, and they've given me some mounts as well. So this is awesome. Have product questions. So this booklet is good, but I'll watch a video on YouTube. That's fine. Right, I'll just put them somewhere, and over here I'll put my microphone and other stuff, right? Although this does not take the mic. Now we go to the real thing. Come out, sweetheart. I love you so much. This boy should come out, He's not coming out. Yes, he will have to come out. Well guys, as compared to GoPro Hero 7, because the last camera which I used, that was GoPro Hero 7. So as compared to GoPro Hero 7, this is bigger. This is a little bigger, and the screen is really good. It's a little, I would not say dusty. It's just because of the recyclable paper. So it's just like that. Okay, that's awesome. And the good thing is now it's out of the case. And by the way, I used to see this camera on YouTube and I used to think, when will I get GoPro Hero 9? And this thing is now good. This is embossed here now. GoPro is embossed. You can just feel it. And the best thing about this camera is the front microphone. This is the microphone. Now when you are doing vlogging, you don't need extra mic. I don't know why people are buying GoPro kits and then they are attaching extra mics or external mics. You've got a wonderful mic over here, then it's got something over here, and even down there they have something, maybe speakers or mics. So you don't need extra mic. I mean, whenever you use GoPro, this camera is hardly 2 to 3 feet away, 2 feet away, or maybe 1.5 feet away from your face, right? So you can easily just speak to it and your voice will be recorded here. And let's see what else have they given along with this. We have this mount. Okay, I sold my GoPro Hero 7 and then I purchased this one, so I gave that mount to the guy who bought that from me. Cable, GoPro original cable. Yes, it's original. I do have some other. This is the C-port cable, so my mobile also takes the same cable. And battery is bigger than the previous GoPro. The previous GoPro used to have like small battery, and now they claim the life of the battery is even good. So let's just insert the battery. I don't know where to. Over here, I guess. No, I don't even know how to open it. So let's just give it a try. Yes, I succeeded. All right, the battery will go like this. Okay, and now it is closed, and this is waterproof, by the way. And the best thing I like about this camera, it's got only 2 buttons. This is to turn it on and off, and this is to start recording. So let's turn it on. No, I think I need to charge the battery and then it will turn on. Yeah, let's just try again. Yes, good, it's responding. You can see my GoPro. Yeah, it's responding. And over here you can check, wow, this front screen, when you are doing some vlogging, you can even see yourself as well. You can just see how you are doing the vlogging. All right, that's my own face coming in the camera. See that? Wow. So it is asking me for language. I select English. All right. Okay. Agree. I have to agree with the legal stuff and other things like that. Wow, guys, this is truly awesome. So you can congratulate me upon buying GoPro Hero 9. Thank you very much, and I will purchase GoPro Hero 10 as well when that camera is going to be out. This is really solid. I mean, this is because it's out of the casing now. First they used to have that casing or cage of it. Now it is out of the cage, but this is really solid. In case if you throw it somewhere, it is going to be fine. There will not be any problem with that. So you can congratulate me. All the best. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.